Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing y'all how you can get some cheap dog food this weekend at Dollar General, plus how you can take your pet to the vet and get it paid for. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help your girl out. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all know I love hearing from you, so please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a second to share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, let's jump right in. Guys, so first up, let's talk about the IMS Checkup Challenge. Now, this is how you're going to take your pet to the vet and get it paid for, so it is completely free to you. Now, I do want to go ahead and give a big shout out and thank you to our awesome friend Debra Williams-Bus. She found this deal and was so kind to share it with us, so thank you so much, girl. You are awesome. Alright, so now we're about to go over the details and some frequently asked questions about the IMS Checkup Challenge so that you guys have all of the information. But make sure that you stick around until the end because I do have an exclusive IMS coupon link to share with you all, plus a couple of 5 off $25 scenarios so that you can get some super cheap dog food. Alright, now what exactly is the IMS Checkup Challenge? Well, here's the deal. When you buy any 2 11-pound bags or larger of IMS dry dog food or any 2 7-pound bags or larger of IMS dry cat food between April the 25th and July the 31st, they are going to cover the cost of your pet's next checkup. So again, this offer is valid on purchases of 7-pound bags or larger of the IMS dry cat food or 11-pound bags or larger of IMS dry dog food. The maximum value that you're going to get back is $200, and the offer is valid between 4/25/22 and 7/31/22 in 50 of the U.S. states and D.C. only. Obviously, this deal has been going on for quite a while now, but unfortunately, we are just now finding out about it, so I did want to go ahead and share it with you all because $200 is a lot of money, and if you guys can save that within the next week or so, I really want you guys to get in on this deal. So here's something that crossed my mind. Some of you all may have already purchased these items over the last few months, and if you have, you don't have to go out and make any new purchases. Just use those older receipts as long as they are between the dates of April the 25th and July the 31st. You are good to go. Now, here are the 4 easy steps that y'all need to do to get in on this deal. Step number 1 is to purchase your IMS pet food and visit with your vet and save those receipts. Step number 2 is to upload your IMS product receipts. Step 3 is to upload your vet receipt. Then step number 4, submit your contact information and get paid. Alright, now we're going to go over some frequently asked questions. Should I use my phone or a computer to apply for the rebate? You can use either, but a phone with a camera will make it super easy to submit your receipts. Next question, what if there's a problem with any of my receipts? Well, IMS says, don't worry. If we run into any issues with your vet visit or IMS pet food receipts, we will send you an email and tell you exactly what we need. Just be sure that email doesn't get stuck in your spam, junk, or clutter folders. Alright, next question is, what if I make a mistake while uploading my receipt? Well, IMS says, no problem. Just email us and one of our team members will promptly respond. Next question, what are the valid dates for my vet visit receipt? Your vet visit receipt must be dated between April the 25th and July the 31st to qualify. So if you guys have taken your pets to the vet after April the 25th, make sure that you dig out that receipt or call your vet and see if you can get a copy of that receipt, and you may already be halfway there to completing this checkup challenge. Alright, next question. What information should be included on my vet visit receipt? Alright, so your vet visit receipt must include the name, address, and phone number of the vet office that you visited and a detailed list of services performed along with their prices. Now, what if my vet visit receipt doesn't include the address and phone number of the vet's office? Well, that information is required for you to qualify for the vet visit rebate, so please clearly write the organization's address and phone number on the receipt before you submit it. Now, what if I visit the vet more than once between April the 25th and July the 31st? Well, here's your answer. The IMS Checkup Challenge only covers 1 vet visit per dog or cat per household, and they will cover up to $200. All right, next up, what do I have to buy? Well, It's simple. All you have to do is purchase 2 11-pound bags or larger of the Iams dry dog food or 2 7-pound bags or larger of the Iams dry cat food from any retailer. So that is an important detail. This is not only a Dollar General deal. You guys can purchase those products from any retailer and it will qualify. So purchase those products between April the 25th and July the 31st. Keep your original receipts. You will need to submit them as proof of purchase. All right, now let's talk about the receipts for your Iams products. Now, if you guys use Fetch or Ibotta, y'all already know the drill, but basically your receipts need to include the retailer's name, the date of purchase, how many bags of Iams pet food you bought, and how much they cost. It needs to be a clear picture of your entire receipt. Be sure that it's in focus, well lit, and that they can see the whole thing. All right, now here's an important question. Can I submit more than one pet food receipt? Absolutely. Once you start the rebate application process, you'll be able to upload your Iams pet food receipts one at a time. All right, next question. Can I submit receipts from online purchases? Yes, you can submit your receipts for qualifying purchases made through online retailers or online delivery services. All right, now here's an important question. What are my rebate options? Well, Iams has 2 easy options. You can choose to receive a rebate via PayPal or a check in the mail. Now, another important question, how much will my rebate be? Well, if your pet's vet visit total was less than $200, we will pay whatever it is you spent. If your pet's vet visit fee was more than that, your rebate will be $200, and it is that simple. Now, I'm just going to keep it real with y'all. Whenever I take my pet in for a checkup next week, I'm going to be telling the vet, hey, I have $200 to spend. Here is the deal that I'm doing. So let's get everything done that needs to be done, all right? Up to $200. So if they need shots for this year, let's go ahead and do that. If they need flea and tick medicine, let's go ahead and do that. If they need their toenails clipped, let's go ahead and do that. Get me up to $200 so that I can take full advantage of this rebate while we have it. All right, guys, and one last very important question before we get into the 5 off $25 scenarios. How quickly will we get that rebate back? Well, it's going to depend on the method that you choose. After you receive an email confirming your qualification, and remember to keep an eye out on that spam folder, it's going to take about 3 weeks to receive your check in the mail. Now, if you select PayPal, you're going to get your rebate within 48 hours after you authorize the PayPal transaction. All right, guys, now I'm going to show y'all how you can get the 11-pound bags of Iams dry dog food that will qualify for the Iams Checkup Challenge. Super cheap this weekend at Dollar General. All right, guys, so the first thing that you're going to need to do is make sure that you have this 150 off 1 Iams dry dog food digital coupon clipped to your Dollar General accounts. Now, this is an exclusive coupon. Not all accounts received it, but I have you guys covered, and I do have the link for this coupon in the pinned comment right down below this video. So all you have to do is click on that link and add it to your account. All right, so for this first scenario, you want to pick up 1 11-pound bag of the Iams dry dog food. There are different ones that y'all can choose from for $20.95. 2 of the Oral-B toothbrushes for $2. Those are $1 each. 1 of the Crest Pro Health 3.3-ounce toothpaste for $1. 1 of the AZO 20-count tablets at $3.45. 1 of the Centrum Mini Vitamins at $3, and that's going to bring your subtotal to $30.40. All right, and here's a look at the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. And here's your list of coupons. So, of course, you're going to need your 5 off 25 DG store coupon, the 150 off 1 Iams, the 2 off 2 Oral-B toothbrushes, the 1 off 1 Crest toothpaste, the 5 off 1 AZO product, and the 4 off 1 Centrum. That's going to bring your subtotal after coupons all the way down to $11.90 for 6 items, making each one just $1.90 each. Now, if you can't find the AZO or the Centrum vitamins, here is an alternative. You could pick up 1 of the Iams 11-pound bags of dry dog food for $20.95. Throw in the 2 Oral-B toothbrushes for $2. Those are $1 each. 1 of the Crest Pro Health 3.3-ounce toothpaste at $1, and 1 of the Airwick warmers for $2. That's going to bring your subtotal to $25.95. And here's a look at the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. Alright, and here's your list of coupons. So, of course, you're going to need your 5 off 25 DG store coupon, the 150 off 1 Iams, the 2 off 2 Oral-B, the 1 off 1 Crest toothpaste, and the 150 off 1 Airwick product. And that's going to bring your subtotal down to $14.95 for all 5 items, making each one just $2.99 each. Alright guys, so there you go. You guys have 2 5 off $25 scenarios that y'all can do this Saturday, July the 23rd at Dollar General, where you guys can pick up some cheap dog food, plus you can get in on the Iams Checkup Challenge and get a free vet visit for your pet. Now, I also want to go ahead and mention that you guys can do these scenarios next Saturday as well, because all of the coupons that I have included in both of those deals, they either expire on July the 30th, which is next Saturday, or later. So these deals are good for 2 Saturdays in a row. Now, if you guys are looking for even more deals that y'all can do this week at Dollar General, don't forget to go back and check out my previous videos that I've uploaded this week. Of course, on Sunday, I did put up the new coupons and glitches video, and then I also uploaded a video going over a ton of deals. We have daily deals, we have a glitch list, plus we have 3 off 15 scenarios packed all into one video, and I'm going to leave both of those linked in the pinned comment down below. And then, of course, I'm going to have the link to that exclusive Iams coupon also in the pinned comment, right along with all the information and links that you need to have for the Iams Checkup Challenge. Alright guys, so that is it for me for now, but before you go, if you're not already subscribed, please consider doing so, because we would love to have you as a part of our crazy couponing family here. Also, don't forget to turn on those notifications so that you don't miss out on any awesome deals. On your way out, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, leave me a comment down below, and please take a second to share the video. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.